Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to play a super fun test game to check how well you remember letters A to E. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, little learners, let's start with the letter A. What fruit starts with A? Yes, A for apple. What tiny insect starts with A? That's right, A for ant. What big animal has sharp teeth and starts with A? Yes, A for alligator. What place do we live in that starts with A? Good job, A for apartment. Great work, you got all A words right. Now let's move to letter B. What animal says grr and starts with B? Yes, B for bear. What FLI's in the sky and starts with B? That's right, B for bird. What makes honey? Yay, B for bee. What colorful thing we blow for birthdays? Yes, B for balloon. Amazing, you know your B words so well. Here comes letter C. What says meow and starts with C? Yes, C for cat. What do we drive on the road? Correct, C for car. What do we eat on birthdays? Yummy, C for cake. What yellow vegetable starts with C? That's right, C for corn. Look up, what do we see in the sky? Yes, C for cloud. Excellent job on letter C. Now let's check your memory for letter D. What animal says woof woof? Yes, D for dog. What swims and says quack quack? That's right, D for duck. What shiny stone starts with D? Yes, D for diamond. What do we open to go outside? Good thinking, D for door. What sweet round treat starts with D? Yum, D for donut. Wow, you're doing great with D words. And finally, let's test letter E. What big animal has a trunk? Yes, E for elephant. What do we eat for breakfast? That's right, E for egg. What bird FLI's high and starts with E? Good job, E for eagle. What do we use to hear? Yes, E for ear. What purple vegetable starts with E? for eggplant. Fantastic! You remembered all words. You did it, little learners. You've completed your A to E test. You're all superstars. Let's clap for ourselves.